Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a cinematic neon city rain poster in Photoshop. Start by importing your night city image into Photoshop. Duplicate the layer and convert it to smart object for neon destructive edits. Then go to the filters and select camera raw filter and increase the clarity and contrast. Add a gradient map adjustment layer with purple and blue tones for neon vibe. Now use soft light blending mode to merge the colors smoothly. Then add a new layer, fill it with black, then go to the filter, select noise and add noise. Choose blend mode to screen and slightly lower opacity. Then add motion blur to give the rain direction. Bring in your object photo